Hi there. Today in this video I'll be showing how to create your own Nothing Phone 2 ringtones with the official Glyph Composer app from Nothing. For those unaware of Glyph Composer, it's a ringtone making app exclusive to Nothing phones that works seamlessly with the Glyph interface provided on the back of the Nothing phones. Well, this app won't add Glyph interface to your phone's back, but it will sure let you create cool Nothing Phone ringtones. So let's see how to get it and how it works. Make sure your phone runs at least Android 13 or above. The app is available on the Play Store, but if your phone is not a Nothing, you won't be able to install it. In that case, you can follow the download link in description, which will take you to APK Mirror, where you can download the latest version of the app on your Android 13 running phone. I have tested it on my Redmi Note 9 Pro with Android 13 based custom ROM and it's working flawlessly. The app has 6 different sound themes to choose from. If you're looking for default Nothing Phone style, go with Modem. There are other styles such as Swedish House Mafia, 𝗲𝗏, 606, and Dan. When you're ready to record, tap that red button and start playing. You can record a 10-second ringtone and then save it. Or set it as your ringtone right from the app. Here's how other modes sound like. That's all folks, hope you liked the video, so please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.